Hey, what's up guys? This is Pastor Canada again. We're coming up with another video in C#, and today we're going to be talking about lambda expression. Okay, but before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So we're growing slowly but steady. So C# lambda, I have a little concept right here just to give us a better understanding. C# lambda expression is a short block of code that saves parameters and returns. Let me get it. It returns a value. It is defined as an anonymous function without a name. Okay, here, for example, num is an input parameter and num times 7 is a return value. The lambda, we're going to do a little example. The lambda expression doesn't execute on its own. Instead of, we use inside other methods or variables. For example, we can use the link query where we have the select clause, which is a method, and then in there we can just put this this right here. We got, this is a syntax. So the num, let's see, one second. The num is the list of input parameter, which is this one, and then we have the lambda operator, which is this one right here, and then we have the body, or the expression or the statement, which is going to return a value. And then we're going to use select class in the method, and we're going to put this inside. But we're not going to be using exactly this one. We're going to do another example, all right? So let's do an example so we can understand a lot better how to use lambda expression. Right, so let's do it. Okay, so let's create a list. A list of integers, and then we're going to give it a name, numbers. Let's say equals new list, and then right here open closing parentheses, and right here we're going to have our curly brackets, and here we're going to have our elements, our numbers. So we're going to have 36, comma 71, comma 12, comma, we're going to have 15, comma 29, comma, we're going to have 18, comma, and then 27. All right, so let's finish it up with the semicolon right there. Now right here we're going to create another variable called a square, equals to, we'll do numbers. Now we're not going to do order by, we're going to use select, which is in the link query, is the select clause, which is a method. Let's just do that. Cool beans. But we will not need this. I want to pass, like, you know, we can just do num over here, num times num. But in this case, we want multiply this by itself, 36 times 36. Right, that's what we're doing. So this is going to be our one second. So this is going to be our input parameter right here, and then this is going to be our expression or statement, which is going to return the values. So this is what we want it to be accomplished, right? So we want a square of every single element from this list. Okay, so right here we're going to do a for each. Okay, that's cool. We're going to do number. Okay, we got number. So right here we're going to do a square instead of numbers. Square. And then right here we're going to have console. And then we're going to pass that number. So and that should give us what we're expecting, right? So let's execute the program and let's see that output in the console. So it's going to take 1 sec. Okay. So right here, if you do 36, no, I don't have a calculator in my computer. I just got rid of it because it was giving me issues. I gotta build one with C sharp. So I'm just going to my cell phone. If I go 36 times 36, it gives me 1,296, which we have it right here. And then we go to the next number, 71 times 71. It gives me 5,041. And then let's do this last one right here. It's 27 times 27. 27 times 27, 729. So we did the square, right? Yeah, that worked. So we use our select clause, and then we use, like it says right here, we use a method. So we can execute these values right here, this statement right here, and the lambda expression. Okay. So now, so let's just do another example. So let's create another list. Oh man, let's create another list right here, and I'm just copying right here, paste. Okay, so we have a list of people below, and we want to only extract the IDs. So we're going to create it here. We can use the select method and the lambda expression person the ID. So we can do that. Okay, let's do that. Let's create a list. We're going to say bar. We're going to say people equals new, and then right here we'll do the inside over here. We're going to say new, and here we're going to do ID equals to, what do we do, 100. We're going to do comma. We're going to do name equals to Jennifer, comma, and we're going to do age equals to 21. And then let's just do control D 2 more times, and then we're going to do ID number 102 and then 104 or something like that. We're going to change the names right here. We're going to say Pedro, and we're going to say Jonathan here. Let's just do the ages. Pedro's going to be 35, Jonathan is going to be 45, and then we're missing the commas right here. Boom, boom, and then that should fix. We're just missing our semicolon, and we just do the same thing what we did right here. So let's copy. We're going to get the variable, and we're going to define our lambda expression. So we're going to say right here, let's put selection. So it's going to be people, and then right here we don't want to do this. So what we want over here, we want to get the IDs, right? We can just do person, but we're going to do X that ID, and then we're going to get our for each. Let's copy this. So we're going to change right here, instead of number, let's just do number 2, and then we're going to change to selection, because we're going to loop through this right here just to get those IDs. And then we're going to do right here select number 2, and that should give us the IDs, which is going to be 100, 102, 104. Okay, let's run it. We're going to see those outputs in our console. Going to take just a second. It's taking a little bit more than I'm expecting. What's going on, bro? What's happening? Let's see. Selection. So number 2. I'm just taking a look at here. What's going on? Why is it taking so long? People select. We got that. We got the ID. Okay, that should be good. That should be good. Somehow it's not letting me do that. Let's see. Did I do something wrong right here? Let's see. Oh no. I think we're good. We're good. We're good. Yeah, let's do one more time. Something's going on. Okay, here we go. It's taking too long before. So this is from the first example, from the square, and this is the IDs that we're getting: 100, 102, 104. Now we can change that. Now what about if we want to get just the names? So let's just change that to name, and that should give us the name. Got Jennifer, Pedro, Jonathan. What do we want to get age? Let's just change it to age. Right? And then we have that. And we should be good. Yeah, 21, 35, and 45. Exactly what we have. All right, guys, that was just the video. Some basics, how to use lambda expression. So hopefully this can help you on your journey. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.